In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you an efficient way to open up multiple Google Docs in a spreadsheet. So we know that if you click on a link and you can click again and open it up, and we can open up files individually this way, but it's a lot of clicking, and this can be a little tedious if you've got a roster of 20 or 30 plus students. So an easier way to do this is instead to simply click on the column B, or the head of whatever column you're working with, and then you're going to click this little drop down arrow, and then you're going to select open links, and then it will open up all the links simultaneously. This is a super easy way to jump from Google Note to Google Note, which will make, I think, this semester significantly easier. And I haven't actually experimented with this yet, but here I've got, this is from a Photoshop exercise that I did with my students prior to the pandemic, and I'm going to see if I can open up all of these images simultaneously. So like before, I'm going to click that little arrow, then I'm going to select open links, and we're going to see what happens. It says you're about to open up a large number of links. Are you sure? And I think I am. We'll see what happens. I'm going to press OK. Bam! Whoa. So now I can see that it looks like we've got, I don't know, maybe 24 images loading. And because there are so many, it's taking a moment to load, but I can see that, it did the trick. There we go, there's Kai. Alright, this is pretty convenient. And so one of the things that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making sure that I'm opening up all of these files in this sort of like, they're in a browser with a single tab to start. So at the end of a class, we'll say, when I have note submissions from 24 plus students, I can simply cancel and be on my merry way. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.